Meet the Clappy family. Sexual abuse programs and constant up-to-date research is needed because sexual abuse is a growing issue in today's society. How YRAP assists children and their families. First of all, they have to establish that it's not the child's fault in order to make progress. This organization assists in healing, and they educate the children and the family as well. Schools seem to mainly focus on stranger danger. Stranger danger does not protect children from this type of abuse since the abusers are well known to the child. When a child is sexually abused, the perpetrators are mainly family, babysitters, or anyone else the child may know personally. The goal is to ensure that children are not suffering from sexual abuse in silence. They work to educate both the parents and children on sexual abuse. They teach long-term coping methods, and they also work to build confidence. They want to get the child back to being the child that they were before the abuse took place. According to YRAP, the most common type of therapy offered is individual therapy. According to YRAP, group therapy is often not used because the organization generally cannot find enough children who are at the same developmental rate. According to YRAP, when a child is misbehaving, disclosing too much detail about a case, or disclosing information about another abuse they have suffered, a parent needs to be present during the therapy session. YRAP uses many great tactics during children's therapy. Tactic number 1, modeling and sculpturing. Modeling and sculpturing are used to express their emotions in a non-verbal manner. They are also able to have fun, relax, and use it as a distraction. Tactic number 2, bravery bears. Whenever a child needs the courage to speak about their emotions, they are given a bravery bear in order to assist them and to make them feel strong. Bravery bears are often donations from local sponsors. Tactic number 3, paper people. Paper people is an activity which allows the child to write down or draw a picture of whomever or whatever they are afraid of. Tactic number 4, psychoed. Psychoed teaches parents about trauma and sexual abuse. Middle-aged children often blame themselves when they are sexually abused because the abuser grooms them into thinking that it's their fault. Grooming is when a person befriends or establishes a connection with the child in order to make the child feel more comfortable when the person is about to sexually abuse them. Tactic number 5, the Angry Birds coloring activity. Angry Birds is pretty popular amongst children these days, so during therapy, children are able to color in an Angry Birds picture. Tactic number 6, puppet plays. Puppet plays enable children to reenact their feelings through the puppets, so that it doesn't directly involve them. Tactic number 7, talking to children about safety. Talking to children about safety is very important in order to prevent future abuse situations from happening. These tactics all contribute to helping the child eliminate or minimize flashbacks of the abuse. A sexually abused child often encounters problems in school, acts up, or shuts everyone out. There is a lot of anxiety during the ages of 6 to 8-year-old children. Developing therapeutic relationships with the children and earning their trust is very important. This is because they are trapped with keeping the secret of what has happened to them in fear that the abuser may hurt their family or even their pets.
Created using Powtoon.